Adema, we buru ya na otu na Benue, ranch na ochiche decision ibido na Benue state is another problem. And unfortunately, the governor of that state is even buying into ranching. He doesn't stop Fulani herdsmen from attacking Benue again. Nah, I don't want to share attack. Get do ranching. They should go to Sokoto and do ranching. Go to Bronu, do ranching. Go to Adamawa, Taraba them. They should go there and do ranching. And not in Benue. Benue is not a Fulani state. So why are they coming to Fulani to build ranching? Why are they coming to Benue to build ranching? Sorry. Eh? The thing what I mean, honestly.
Australia. Oh my God. From Australia?
Yes.
Oh man.
Thursday also. I'll see.
Odogu, Adadorama Kose Bamba on social media. Adadorama is number 1 for BM where Yakose.
Amen. We're all one.
Amen. Papa.
Disike, I organize. Then you send it to mental hospital and send the other. You know, Odogi give Ogi.
Do you know who brought insecurity in the southeast? Let's not act like we don't know that before Buhari took over in 2015, southeast was rated as the safest zone in Nigeria. Southeast was the safest zone in Nigeria before Buhari took over. But then after Buhari took over, southeast became a war zone. Every day, everywhere. In Olo, in Anambra State, everywhere in the southeast became a war zone. Let's not act like we don't know who brought insecurity in the southeast. But I am happy, I am glad that today southeast is regaining its glory as the safest zone. I mean, it is already the safest zone in Nigeria. Now, today, currently, southeast is the safest zone in Nigeria. So Buhari tried. He actually tried, but he didn't succeed. He actually succeeded then, but now here we are today. Southeast is safest zone in Nigeria today. Safest. Well done.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Disc TV. Today being 19th day of August 2026, we the team of Magnetic Disc TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, yesterday was Simon Ekpa's court case, and as it is going on, Simon Ekpa is winning in his court case because Nigerian government did not bring any valid evidence. So there is every possibility that before a month time, Simon Ekpa will be free. Court will discharge him. Oh yes, that is exactly what is going on. But I know that Nigerian government is not finding it funny. They are sending delegates, secretly sending delegates to do more, ojoro to that court case, so that Finland will still detain Simon Ekpa for a long time. But I don't see that thing working out. Simon Ekpa is going to walk out from that prison anytime soon. Just listen to what Simon Ekpa said in this video and you will agree with me.
We're winning.
Yeah. Amen.
The truth is out. It can never be hidden.
It can never be hidden.
Yes. You can try, but at the end of the day, the truth will triumph. From Australia. Oh my God. From Australia. Thursday.
I'm a road Thursday also.
Odogu, Adadorama Koseba on social media. Adadorama is #1 problem. PM where Yakose. Where Yakose.
Amen, man, we are all one.
Amen.
Nice to see you.
They are castigating.
Hey, too much.
Oh, if you
Why again? Thank you. It's on record. How about you?
Bye-bye.
Big highness. That's the kidding.
I do not do anything. My hair, my going to call it hair. More power. And officer Nigerian. I don't know if you will grab your book. You're bringing yes, I
Only one man that na behind now no boguzirezi. Yes. The truth is global. Yes. The truth after here. Yes. So and we are going to win this. Amen.
They were not found for solidarity with our PM. In fact, he had a phone account to see that Jehovah busy. All the cigarette, very good. Upon if we have men account to Ghana, and Jehovah busy. On our Biafra go international. But today, everywhere, Nana is there fire everywhere. So he had even Europe, what I'm Jehovah makes me hold you, bro. Simon in Muraki, Biafra in Muraki at all. One morning on our court today with free men, Yamana, Biafra day.
Greetings.
Video can know, eh? All video can know.
Yes, live and direct here the
Odogu, Biafrans love you.
Biafrans love you.
It's not by mouth, but from the heart.
We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.
We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.
I have to go. Thank you. Bye.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bam bam bam.
Oh goodness.
And Nigeria, man, they don't have any case anymore. Nigeria is gone. They should leave our land.
Yes.
Whether they like it or not, Biafra has come to stay. Nigeria is a British company.
Yes.
Nigeria must go.
Yes.
Thank you for all you are doing. Today is our great day, Biafra. If you see how joy it is in heaven.
Yes.
To show that we have more. And Donya in a churaja more. Makanama na yawu na PM for today. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu ga-apụta. And Aya who got the unity. Biafra who got the truth. The Finlander who got the truth.
Biafrans, now you can see this guy is narrating his story, how Fulani herdsmen kidnapped him in Owerri. And when we are telling people that Fulani herdsmen are in Anibo doing their dirty jobs, people like Udene will be supporting them. People like Ikengu Ruago and the rest of them, they will just be fighting Gentle, saying that it is Gentle that is causing all these things. But we all know that it is not Gentle and his guys, because Gentle has already come out several times to say that his hands are clean. So listen to this guy. Nonso Nkwa is the one that interviewed him in this video, and he explained everything or how the whole thing happened in Owerri, Imo State.
This August 9, 2026. That's 2 weeks ago, a week ago. Man and my brother, na unye na nwa eji n'aka nwa no benda under 1 year. Now for onye I go around Ndegu. You get beside. My brother's again Jiga on here farm. He made this farm, agricultural farm. So I got when dig on Kabia video on there. So Ngano need discuss na the ala. Along the road. Ndegu over the west. When you black amount Ndegu over the west, Urobo market who's a Tadu than in my hand Ndegu. So back I'm at the place along the road, close to Ulon them mad again that place now Ulon the villagers. So a group of people pushing more here. Mapota. Bahapota. How you farming? Do okay for 7.
Eba unu jere be Ndegwa, ndemadu bi around there.
Ndemadu uzu bi ha, but uzu ubi na shago kuku. But all on them the distance ebe
are far, be?
Adam far okay. When you no bi na nwere ike in that people to tell am.
Okay.
So mgbo ndị achịrị m ọhịa pụta mmụ ha ka m bụzọ nso ha. So mgbe m na ha na-abịa m fili na ọwụ ndị amị because eyi efe amị bụ AK-47 m fili eme ndị amị anaghị na-enwe maybe ndị amị batara na-eme akombi ime ọhịa for against insecurity. So when I was close I said everybody lie down. Nobody what my brother told no. My brother one year one azụ ya told no. So total of 6 and 7 plus 6 plus 1 hedge na come 7. So everybody lie down. Ha gbala egbe elu. There is a bullet. So what is a bullet? Anybody lie down. Here we my bed. Kefe my azụ. Ure my brother kefe ya ka azụ. Ke the guy with akwa oyi because ofu oyi enwe bed. He yiri pulu ya. Ke ha the boy chinonso. Ọgwụ onye ndegbu. So mgbe kere ihe aka na azụ. Ha ke the guy with the engineer chime hand the farming n'aka. Enwe ọma te na ọtọ ya ọtọ gị anọ te dị ka engineer. He kefe ya ka azụ. So one of the guy onye ndegbu ahụ I'm not so anymore here. When the last person actually, yeah, gbapụzie gbapụ ha gba ya egbe the bullet enweta ihe ya eme escape gbaba n'ime ọhịa. So ha kpụrụzie anyị say stand yeah come na-akụzi anyị ihe na anyị na-aba one access road no opposite that fence ahụ anyị na-abazi straight mgbe na-aga like 1 to 2 posts to 3 posts ha mewe sign na-akpọ ka nnama ọ dị ha ga-akpụ ndị na-achị nnama dị akpọ na-akpọ Nigeria na sign.
Okay.
So I have some hinda na emekwe other people pay ni.
Okay, when does na ni mo ha.
So ndị ka nshikwe ha pụtazie. Ha na asụsụ that asụsụ awụsa Fulani ha. Ejicha mma. Ko akpa ha. Small small bag. So ha kpụrụ anyị bawazie dịka dị 3 dịka n'ime ọhịa dị 4 ha pụtazie ha wụsị 7 total of 7. Ha cover to inside bush.
Abucha egbe.
AK-47, double magazine.
Yeah.
So some of them jitaga, some this cutlass. So when I go to inside the bush, I say I lie down. So how they will say our leg together. So they have like 2 hours. They will have how more inside more forest. I bet I was here for the first night. Around the bed 10 or 11. Then the other group of Fulani, you put her, you put in here, you know the Libya. But due to Anama was signing them, they make an hour. But Honey may call, Honey, you call name, but all my wine in a phone, but all with our son, working at one with our son. So Hannah Chef night. Then in the morning, early morning, halfway from that guy in Nabala, in medical shelter. Mula hang on the moha, or just in Hatronala. Hapoyanala, here, umbrella cover my hand. And no wine, I cry, Ogunaka and Oko. Million Nazul now, my dad, more idea. Everything that I no cover. So no food. I'm going to be hanging 6 morning happened like after 9, I ate in the morning. That night, around that time in the night, Chiabo, Nimoha. When you know, so in the morning, early morning, best to 6, right? Go on that bush. I get the good one on that bush bank. I know. I mustn't get a from that bank here now, but got on that place. Bank see TLG again. He paid that place, the same condition with the torturing. And I quiet. So the bank was in the edge of the bank. As I do is here, say call your people. If you bring money, you go. If you don't bring money, it will kill you. It's a big person. Kidnapping our work, now waiting at the work, in my job. We plenty everywhere. We kidnap people with the get money.
That's here when they Fulani and the Fulani.
So how myself in English, I want to say, me, I go kill him, I go get him big money. If I don't kill him, I will ask him why. If you bring money, I will cut that thing. I do some do my juju. So I never say anymore here. So you see, I cook how quiet. She not try, so you go with the Yamini, I will bring get big money, you bring money, every money I will kill you. So I did the music call. How about Georgia? You want to where you from? I say I'm from Imo State. That's 50 million. I don't my brother. Remember that's Imo State 50 million. I don't that's 50 million. So I don't like the guy who farm and when you know the thing aeronautical engineer. We River State. How do you want to bet? Because only River State has 20 million.
In the Imo State, 50 million. But on your rivers, you 20 million.
That's okay. You bring the money, you go. You call your people.
Okay.
So by then, how much about that now? The other guy, the other person, no more one. So having a different maybe family. So maybe it was a call. What was it called? Was it called? Video call. No day at the third day. No food, no water.
For 3 days.
For 3 days. That is for Saturday till Monday. So after all, he not pass through. I think how many give na ngomility there. The give me there in sharing. How many more you sharing? How many more you? No, she's spaghetti and rice.
And when the Kenyan has stuck around, honey, Jack has stuck on when they
no, like full apple.
Okay.
I go by this time now by all the morning or afternoon. He went time some gap on kepo. Man, I be here bruising here, pata. And they bring here, pata. I become my suya. Chicken suya. My predator, my drug. And I'm going type of drug. And I'm there. My cigar, my rice, and spaghetti, my gari, money, and with as I wasn't in the shop because I had a carry over. And a belly line you. I really line you. Lehanya, have a blue Matewagi. So at the end of the day, also on Tuesday,
Hapuchirihu,
Hapuchirihu, we make a pushing, I'm ready to get open. And the hand, I'm not of Fukama, my English house, can I bear a make call, can I bear with the phone? Yeah, that's me, where people. Yamana phone, jack out, worker. So at the end of the day, I'm on Chetwa. So, Nima about on Tuesday, afternoon. I be put this over cash. That's an Hagana physician. Or Amawasa. Yeah, maybe you want the cash. Was more coming in now within a time ago, and I need 2 hours. Because of bank now. I know the bank, no, the as we shut up. Look at going from Amawasa or physician. You will get that for money. So, I'm going to my brothers and down, but I said, look, I got physician. The physician, because they will take the money. Amawasa. So anyone cannot be funny. So I got Amawasa, but now Amawasa in maybe a gun time was scheduled at that time. Because when I make a call in now, Uncle Landic on Monday, yeah, Uncle Landic 6 to 7. So I was it on Tuesday. On Tuesdays, what was it about the one about the cash? Everything on cash.
Egole.
Total cash, I was there. From also cash, raw cash 7 million. 7 million. 7 million naira. So Akoroha cash.
Oh.
So even an account my card I'm asking to made the money. My brother, my own. My kid that guy and watching also. Again an account here. Now see no small touch card that can use. But they go to the shop. Was I guys never put a code the phone, code in I just got it code. So you take about phone. App gas in the code. ATM original house in the code. So in now I'm the position of a passenger. On Tuesdays around about 5 to 6. I go in Brazil. I'm a said Straha Mort, Straha Picnic, Loose Liquid, and in that of my brother's hands, my sack bag. So my brother was those things, and that's when they listen around ransom. Ibutre. Be here. So how does it mother that money? And that
let drop in there.
Got dropping down. I have every my brothers and never broken that now because I said that now. No involve police, no involve army. Say if you involve police, if you involve security, you kill them. Say if you put on tracker or juju, if you will know, it's a video. We know where they do. You say now I walk. If you do, you will know. You will come here, come kill them. So let me tell my brother like that. My brother said, I beg, no involve anything in security. Just bring the money, come for them. I said, I raise a phone with my sister, my brother, the phone your Poisier, Nigeria, Posier, Logadia. So I'm saying, my brother says, give it to the money. Now, I'm kidnap
Nandegu. Okay. That same place. Give it to that money.
Actually, more here,
okay.
The money. Blue those more, blue carton, and some more packets, and picnic, liquid packets,
ndị ahụ mere na ndị ahụ kidnapụrụ unu na ndegwu ahụ ha nọgidere with you people ka mechara pụọ ndị ọzọ abịa
mba ọ na that group ahụ
okay that group
ọ bụ ọdụ Monday night ha kpọ anyị gaa ebe anyị gara n'abalị ahụ Monday night ahụ pụtaziri Tuesday anyị ji lọta Tuesday evening anyị ji lọta Monday night ahụ anyị gagidere gawa ihe ga n'ime ọhịa dịka more than 2 hours m na-agazi ihe bi makpa n'aka m na-aga akpabi n'aka m mmiri sack bag mmiri ọ bụla ebe wọta gbujiri mmiri iji ha na-aṅụ so abụ akpa ahụ mgbe na-agazi m na-adazi because enwezi m strength kemgbe Saturday no food no water so till that Monday night agedizere m agara after that ngaga ha yaziri ntọzi nga kpọsaziri n'abalị a ga-ehi
ede ha wee ebe ahụ unu gadị n'ime ọhịa
ihe obi ime abalị 7 ebe 10 abalị 11 so abalị jamụzie emeke fụziri bịa jamụzie ha n'ụzọ kwa ji kreso n'aka keyi traza ndị amị ke njikere so anyị na ha ke butekwara ihe ha riri ebu ihe dịkwa ha richa n'abalị ma chikin ma ihe ha riri n'abalị ahụ so any morning I tested them that night times mina go to that guy mana ekere mana ya ka together so mina na too much guys na nwa once come on na nwa na mina go wele me so me was there and say water obuni me wele say milk ahụ is na small milk
enyere unu ka unu ṅụọ
na majoro water where water half there muze ne to that guy ya ṅụọ I survived with that Monday night on Tuesdays it was okay. The cash they are at hand after their demand, they are at hand. So I be up anymore here, maybe see.
Okay, finally.
So tin
hello to Lucy Lotazia. Kahamunu Kakuchara the 7 million.
Okay, yes, after the 7 million, I have to they go this year. How no they get the money. No they reach make or want to make my bread, my my motor. This year. What is that happy though? So man apata, how do I put that somewhere apata? Answer na this see this B3. You go and say it. My place at the work. That one I should go and I got put and go. So I was also now I say no we dey like we get it everywhere. We get it everywhere. They no hang everywhere, not to you. So na ga no something no there. Na ga no something no there na only ba pasra ka na ga na go. So when I was also na abog those ndị na azụ afuzi mu ha so m na akpọzi nwunye my brother say aji wayo and can do that aji wayo because na mba nlekwa na elekwa na this mo say bidiko gbakwa ọsọ anyị na-agbakwa na
okay finally unu alọtazi ọkwa ya
yes so nga pụtaziri gbagide pụtazi somewhere ozi ụlọ mmadụ ebe ụlọ mmadụ close ụlọ ndị ndegwu close a na-arụ one tenant house guard one decking so I feel that na I go say that I'm going to raise her. I got to because I know some get na ha na abịa ka bịa kwuru anyị so nga na-echegezi ha ụlọ anyị going create n'ihu ya that means ụlọ ha gwụla agwụ so I make I do na zike na nakwa n'olu ndị mmadụ na-arụ ọnụ dị ya so I was surprised mgbe a laziri ana ndị information that in the evening ya around ebe 6 5-6 achịpụta ebe to 7 na ndị a sepụpa pụtara shimo ha bịakwa na that side big ndị nọ ọrụ dị ya first one to open gate so ndị ọrụ ahụ agbapụzie n'ime chinu wapụzi ihe ha na-eri ọgbọ n'ime sọkawe gosi ụlọ ahụ sọkawe akọfabe so gbapụzi dị hide so ha batazi ha jọpụ ofes bata rasakcha the whole house ahụzị onye ahụ ha alawazi chirijo fonu ha ihe ga-eri ya dị abụrụ ya pụọ so I was surprised that na ama ndị a ga-ekwu obi chiri m ọhịa bụrịtekwe na
the same ndegwu ahụ ndegwu enweghị security
ndegwu enwere security. Security.
Okay, so, finally, you need report to police.
I put Obako police station, which the DPO and the amateur. Even on Friday, on Saturday, and when Namako will be inclusive of a kidnapping in the morning. So I think by the grace of God, in the Namako will be security about here. What is the different about? There too alive. So ndị Fulani agbagbo full security amako yubi.
Okay.
Amako yubi and the go.
Okay, ha no close ekwa.
Yes.
Ọ dị ma finally ole ndụmọdụ ma ihe chọrọ egwu ụmụnna anyị 1 minute.
Okay sir. Ihe m chọrọ ịgba ụmụnna ndị Igbo wụ that onye ọbụla tenora ndị a tinye m hụrụ mere m ndị a jiri n'ime ọhịa anyị. Adị ndị a plan ahụ I know they're going to be shy. We ally, we because one thing they can force us to have a comfortable more high. So young to the government when you go now. I do one to the Imo State government and there's I and the chief and the youth I almost school, and the church, and the father, and the pastor. Because when you like I do not do keep on anapano, then kidnapping. Fulani. I hope I'm Mbazana police or army. Branding boy, I get rescue on the Jina Libo. No, everybody Fulani. Get there. Boss for that camp. I have been before. Which where I need more police in only police in a hundred around that side, motor park. But how many had them? Okay. So they go back. Sure. Because I'm going to get a fight here now. Now they like go, they go to the state, they go to other places, they go to the government chairman over the west. Send it to the drone. And since security now. People now any kidnapping, any women people that place. I want so you to go now. Oh no, but him now, well, now, I'm not going to read everywhere that night. Now, police and army, now, boss, ESN camp, no law, no Kigo, and other places in Alibu here. The power handed a guy boss ESN camp. And they go to a guy boss or in the Fulani India. Nimo, making up a boy in Alibu. Which Omenemo, I won't remember. I can have a happy work, go make a honorable. Sina, I'm back because my own Nakotana, Window Landibu, Ele, no blame, not to send election. Come on, I get a the Ogun the Guna, you over the West, you to me. When there's a hand, when the women lead the hand, nobody over the West. Near now, only the rise now. The man done for security because this is not need more honor. They can come to your house and carry you in the night. They don't even have Benue now, Plateau, in case they say Boleman 50 in one community, Bude Blue, or all by Hagajim because in there now. No way anymore comfortably.
Oh, them want them. Yes, thank God for your life, and thank God that you are alive today to testify. Yes, and so one I get a quick government and they or uncheck work in the vigilante roru kweshela. There we no. Yes, sir.
So Biafrans, now listen to this guy. The security guy caught him. How they robbed Bomo guy, a young guy that is selling kanda. How they robbed him. Guys, stay away from crime. That is the only thing we can tell you from Magnetic Dix TV.
Local government. Honorable. Can you honorable there? Oh, we're going to go. Nagin also. With a small phone, yeah, what do you need to phone? With small phone. Nagin also. Kandaya. I am not the work. Manolo Trakandan. I will work and them. You will go my boy. I will work and I will go my boy. I joy for job when I go here. If you work and that, okay, you work and that. Then on another beggar, no phone here. Kebunu roboria. Ene ba na bia poso. E be no be be ko roboria. Ya no ma re senga. Amandoba. Akwa Amandoba. Kedi ni kila ko roboria. Mo do le pa no re. Ono de abo ko ato. Abo ka ato. Aho onye no onye. Ko chala. Kocho onye be. Onye umudoji. Kedu onye ozo? Utumuna mwoke. Aya chikezie. Mude mwoke. Onye umudoji kwa. Onye umezala ebe. Umezala neri. Okay. In an office in the code on the youth Amandoba now. Okay. Be no here now. These guys that so no you bacho on I born over. Can machine you about this boy. Can I have the machine on you? Oh, 150. I know where the 150. Oh, God, I'm Okada. Culture, we registered Okada member. Or registered Okada. Can't go now, but can't beat here. Ele beat here, go now. On the virus, some of the part of those tyrants. Many people might know that Babu and any go. Yes. I would India. If I don't want to be sick, if I won't go share this now. So I get men one or two things I get men. You want to give Barayo, I am what to go Yoshina.
Nonso Nkwa in this video is saying that burning of cannabis, that is burning of that marijuana farm, that it is not economical advice, that the government is not supposed to burn them, that they're supposed to secure that place, use it for another thing, for economic basis, you know. And the same thing, he said that people should collect money from APC, but they should not vote them coming this 2027 election. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye. Share this video.
I join Showreo to condemn Ewa Alubi Iboku. I condemn Ewa Iboku. I join Showreo na this one. And I'm angry. But we know the economic value of Igbo. We know that Obu so say Igbo wo problem. And eji Igbo ogunda na arogasi, ogunda na arogasi even. Onwe hospital e ga doctor say ngo Igbo. Oh yes, onwe hospital e ga onwe ihe ga na aria gi. Doctor say ngo 1 or 2 pieces of Igbo. Mo gi jiri ngo aka mo ihe nda. Yes, and I recommend dia. And I recommend dia, but we ha ga bia kuwe in public. You otala? Gini ka NDL ke they should safeguard Ali Igbo enwere. Our license enye nda ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na emi export, ana emi export ebe anyị na-anaghị use here, ana emi export. Ya monitor ha. Carry ile ala ubi Igbo, especially ebe Yoruba dị a ndị na-akọ ezigbo Igbo dị egwu. Warri side, Delta side, Benue side, Benue, Edo side. Gị hụ ala Igbo, ị ga-asị asị gbakwa. I'm telling you. So o nwere uru Igbo bara to the health of a people. You know what? So here government is able to control it. Not illegal Igbo, buy Oko. No now. I tell you people, when they bring that money, collect it, it is your money. When they bring that money during election, especially in the APC, because Hage go, like Imo State now, APC na pack, ego ni APC pack, you can always go Hage na polling unit. Collect that money to run Nonso Nkwa. Oh yes, collect that money to other IPOB. Collect that money to other Osisioma Yambike. Collect that money to other Ndichoretro. Collect that money to other Ndichoretro. APC big ego nara to mayor vote. You know, 60 billion came through in a single day. In a single day, 60 billion. Because the governor said he allegedly will take a pocket of money, only will take a tokota, a jeburi, nearly money now. Hebrew divide the child and do she criminals. Learn that Chigaman again, but the governor. They may get perpetrate Aka into the Akelu. At the end of the day, also can have you show Shunla. At the end of the day, that video endorsing ole. Out I get Sheko who's 2027, all of them must fall.